Right, here's a quickie fire. No sawdust burner. All packed up. That bin is full of boiling water. 40 metres of blacky pipe. 10 metres of that micro bore. Shove the lid down on it. This blacky pipe still well hot. Micro bore red hot. But what you got to bear in mind, this is all done outside. That's not insulated. So if that was insulated, that pipe was put underneath that bin. The heat off that pipe would keep that water warm. That would be inside the microbore. So if I had the time, I'd tell you how long it'd last before I needed to set it all going again. This is stage 4.22.